Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device supports USB threading and locating drivers. Install them if missing. Once done, plug a shielded, data-capable cable under 5 meters into the host. Make sure the device appears as a serial port like COM3 or /dev/TTY USB 0. You then enable developer or serial mode on the device, because without it the host cannot spawn threads for I/O. From here, open your chosen terminal or IDE. Start a new session bound to that port to launch the first thread. You now configure the serial parameters, baud, parity, stop bits, to match the device. For example, 115,208, N1 is common. Then, spawn worker threads, one focused on reading incoming frames and another dedicated to sending requests. Make sure to use mutexes or thread-safe queues to coordinate shared buffers, and prefer non-blocking I/O or a select/poll loop so one slow operation won't stall others. Once threads are running, monitor latency and throughput, and adjust to finish, run an end-to-end validation. Send known commands and verify responses for timing and data integrity. You should log errors with timestamps so you can spot dropped packets, buffer overflows, or mismatched baud settings. If something fails, start with a simple reset. Power cycle the device, replug the cable, and restart the driver. Then retest. If problems persist, swap the cable or test on another host to isolate hardware versus software. That single troubleshooting tip often exposes the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.